this is Rose. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will show you what all stuff I bought from this website called LULUandsky.com. It is one of my favorite websites. I love their collection. So I've ordered a bunch of stuff, and in this video, I'm going to show you what all I got. It will be like a try-on haul. So let's get started. So the first thing is this dress which I'm wearing. I bought it because of the color. I absolutely love it. Lavender is the color of the season, plus this is quite a bold color, and also it has this print, really cute, of two girls, more of pink. So this dress on its own is like a very cute piece and it makes a statement. It's just a t-shirt dress, casual. I can wear this to college as well. But it's really nice, the color, the print, the style of it. Towards the end, it has a little frilly cut and something going on. So I really like the style of the dress, and that's why I got it. I got it originally, like the original price of this dress is 3,800, but I got all of this in 80% off, which is why I got crazy. And after the discount, it costed me for rupees 510. I mean, 3,800, 510, I had to buy it. Next up, I got this t-shirt. Now again, the color is absolutely same, and I've got a lot of purples in this haul, which shows that how I love this color, how much I love this color. Now this is a t-shirt which is actually oversized, but I really like how cool it looks. You know, the sleeves are also very oversized, and the print going on here is really cool. And there are some little things written all over the top, like over here, it says, "What do you make of this?" And like, chick from every angle, and some really cool things, registered, design pending. Like this is like a really cool t-shirt, and I think I wear it with white denims and ripped denims, or white shorts or white skirt or anything, but it looks really cool, and the color, of course. So I got this one. The original price of this one is 2,800, and I got this one for 687. Next up is again a shade of purple, a lighter one, but this is how this t-shirt looks like. I've got like 5 t-shirts and a lot of dresses. Now this one, the fabric is really light. It's best for summers. It's very airy. It has a little glitter thing going on, but it's purple and lavender and a mixture of that. Also, it has this print which says "Pretend Trend." Like, I really love Lulu and Sky's collection. They're very unique, they're very different. I don't get to see such stuff in any other website online. So I really like it, and this is how this one looks. It's a little transy, but it looks cool. And yeah, this one originally was for 1,400, and I got it for 350. 350. I really like it. Next up is this t-shirt, and it is again purple. I thought it's pink, but I read it on the tag. It says it's purple, like a little different shade of purple, but I really like it. And also it's super cute. Why? Because it has these frills going on, like netty things. It's like a very cute girly top, and it says "Good things come to those who hustle," which I really believe in. So this is a nice t-shirt. It's pink purple mix, and very casual for college, like in anywhere else. So this one was originally priced at 1,600, and I got it for rupees 310. I mean, a good deal, isn't it? So these were my t-shirts. I got like 4 t-shirts. Now next I have this one, which is my most favorite. I've got a lot of compliments over it on Instagram because I wore this one on in my college outfit ideas video, which is already up on the channel. So if you haven't watched it, you know what to do. The link is in the description. Please go watch it. I have styled this one with a black skirt. So I've got a lot of compliments on this one. It's a really cool black t-shirt. The tie knot thingy over here is my favorite. And it has a print of Guns N' Roses, which is very famous, and I really like this t-shirt. So this one was originally priced at what? 3,100, and I must have got it in a much lower price. I got it for 930. Cool. So this is for 930 after discount, like after 80% discount, and I really like it. What do you guys think? Next up is this denim skirt, which I was really looking for. a nice denim skirt is a must-have in every girl's wardrobe, and I got it on Lulu and Sky. This is how it looks like, and I like the color. It's light washed denim, and also the zip thing going on over here. I haven't seen this kind of a denim skirt anywhere, so it's new and it's different, so I got it. Also, I have worn it once, so the tag is off and I don't remember the price. So yeah, this is how the denim skirt looks like, and I really like it. It's very different, it fits well, and yeah. Okay, so next is this dress, which looks very sporty. I got it because of the vibe it carries. This is how this dress looks like. It has a checkered print going on, and these drawstrings make it even more cooler. The fit of this is a little different from above. It's fitted, but towards the end it's all frilly, and towards the end it's more frilly and asymmetrical is the shape basically. And also it has these thing which ties at the back, and this hoodie, of course, it's super cool. It's white, and I really like how this dress looks like. It's very sporty plus very edgy. Like, it's nice. I like it, and I just saw it and I just bought it. So this dress is priced at 3,300, but I got this one for 495, and I think a dress like this, which is so different, like print and a different look altogether, and getting it for 495 is a great deal. Next, I have this shirt, which is so cool, I can't tell you. This is like a very different different shirt, and as you guys can see, there's something different going on, whereas a different print over here and a different print over here, but it's a shirt altogether. And also some weird things going on, like this from here, it's a little torn, and from here the collar starts from here and goes to the back. Like, it's very difficult to explain it like to you like this, but of course you'll be seeing it how this one looks. And it's shorter from one side, longer from one side, so it's like a different and a very unique shirt. And this one I got it for, originally this is for 3,400, like obviously it sells because of the style of it, and I got it for rupees 570, which is a great deal, and I love it, and I love it. Next is the last thing. Now the last outfit of the haul is this one. Now this is a t-shirt dress, and that's not it. It has a netty skirt going on over here, mesh skirt, I think that's what we call it, and this came together. It's a set. So this is like a very short t-shirt dress, and over it you wear this mesh skirt. Now why I got it is because we can wear it separately also, like with shorts or anything or any other dress we can wear this meshy skirt, and it was really in trend back then. And this one also, I've worn it with denims and stuff, so I wear it separately and I wear it together as well, and I wore it in my Dubai trip also. So you guys must have seen this dress over there. And this one was, it was for rupees 700. I got the t-shirt dress and this together at rupees 700. So it's a really nice stylish piece, like a proper blogger's outfit. And I've got a lot of compliments again on this one. So yeah, that's about it. That is all I shopped from Lulu and Sky. So that was all for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you. Bye.